Alright, so here we are with another Fun with Plum rocket launcher video where we got this rocket launcher right over there. How you doing today, Plum?
Good.
Well, Plum, tell us what do the directions say?
It says not to do a mini bottle.
Don't do a mini.
And it says not. And it says if you do it that much, you can do number 1 force to do X and say, and then 2 like to do X and don't say.
So yeah.
You can do this
Now,
one, this one, and then this one.
now, Plum, do the directions say you should do a soda in the soda bottle? It says no, you should not do any
It says
soda.
fill it up halfway.
Yeah, so first we're going to show you what it does when it follows the directions. Hopefully we get a good air pump in there. That's the tricky part. But then we're going to try a couple of just experiments. We're going to do one with soda in it all the way to the tippy top, and then a mini bottle. So kids, this is against the directions, so don't try this at home, right, Plum? All right, so here we are now with a regular water bottle. The directions, we follow the directions here. Let's see how it goes now. We're gonna pump it up here with this air pump. Here we go now. All right, okay, baby. Here we go. It's gonna go in the air any minute now. Pump, pump, pump. Come on. Whoa, baby. Wow, that rocket went high in the air, way in the sky, huh, Plum?
Yeah.
Woo, doggy. That was pretty good. All right, now we're gonna do soda. It says in the directions, don't you do soda, but we're gonna do it, aren't we, Plum? All right, here we go now. We're gonna put on this air pump. Here we go. All right. Oh, there's Prince of Power. Ooh-wee! Principal almost caught it. Well, Plum, what'd you think of that soda explosion? It was awesome. All right, now we're gonna do this mini bottle. It said don't you do a mini bottle, but we're gonna do a mini bottle anyways. Kids, don't try this at home. Smash that like button if you think that mini bottle's gonna go even higher. Woo, doggy. Well, now I know why they say don't do the mini bottle, because that didn't work. Had one more idea. He wanted to do one with no water in it at all, nothing in it, just to see what happens. We probably think it's not gonna do anything, but let's find out. Maybe it blows up. I don't know. Let's see. Wow, that was actually pretty good. Wow, that was better than I thought.
See you next time on the Fun with Plum.